Hello, this video will explain how to convert an estimate into a quote with PriceDoctor. Under the Estimates tab, you'll find your project overview page, which shows you the rough estimated price for your project. Under the project actions, there are a variety of things that you can do that allow you to interact with both the project and the client. Once the client has approved the estimate, to convert it into a quote, simply click the Convert to Quote button. Your project has now successfully been converted into a quote. To view the details of your quote, scroll down the page. This is where you'll find the quote breakdown, which will include each item that is necessary for this project and an estimate of what that item might cost. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the quote value. To fine-tune these costs, click Get PriceDoctor Quote to be taken into the PriceDoctor system.